going to show you a little turning trick in very strong heavy winds in the storm, and it's about shooting your bow against the wind towards the wind direction. It's a two-step movement performed in unison. The first step is tilting your boat, rocking your boat a little bit, snapping. It's a very snappy thing. You're gonna do it sharp, but only with your hips. You should sit upright, straight. And the second part is regular paddle stroke to turn, and you're gonna unite these two movements. You're gonna tilt sharply at the same time when the force is in your on your blade when you push. So it's gonna be a very little hop, but it's very powerful hop, and if you do it a few times you will have your desired course, no matter how strong the wind is. Like this. So make sure you're gonna shoot it. The nose will it has to shoot. Maybe it's just 10-15 degrees, but it has to shoot, because if you do it like regularly like this in heavy wind, it's not gonna work. The wind may over force you, but if you do it with a really sharp hip snap like this, it will be very effective. And now if you really paddle in very heavy storm, like maybe like 30 meters per second or some sudden wind gust, you may have to use it continuously to get yourself where you want to go every stroke with this sharp tilt until your bow points at the direction you want. You point toward the safety, and it's really useful. It takes some time to learn, but it's much worth it because it's so powerful, especially in storm, and how much strength and energy it saves for you. Okay, thank you. If you like it, practice it, give me a feedback, and I guess see you on the water. Bye.